Okay, so in this question from June 11, you see that again there is a coded data situation. So we should quickly, when we look at this, we should quickly say, okay, this is basically my sigma y, which is minus 148. This is my sigma y square, which is 3089. Okay, and we can say that my x minus 45, that is equal to y. Okay, so this tells us that a is going to be 45. So when it says find the mean, so when you find the mean, bacho, you will find the mean of y, okay? So the mean of y is going to be sigma y over n. So this is minus 148 over 36, which is going to be, yes,
4.11.
this is 4.11. Okay, this is minus 4.11. Okay, so from here we can get to our actual mean. That is going to be this is the mean of y plus this a. Okay, so this is going to be minus 4.11 and then plus 45. Okay, so you add 45 into it, we get 49.11. Okay, so 49.1, that is the mean we were looking for. Okay, when you find this standard deviation, so before you find the,
सर
yes beta,
सर 40.8 नहीं होएगा, वो माइनस
oh
हो रहा है
sorry
उसमें
sorry sorry
से.
sorry, yes, you are right. Okay, this is 45 minus, actually when I was using the calculator I ignored this, just to save my time I didn't write the minus sign with that. Okay, thank you beta. This is 40.9. This is 40.9. Okay, now bacho, when you define this standard deviation, so you are basically going to give the standard deviation of x, and you must say that is the same as the standard deviation of y. You must say that, okay? So, because we have just discussed that there is a difference in their means, and the difference is of this 45, but their standard deviations are going to be the same, okay? So now this is going to be the square root of, let me write the formula first, sigma y square over n, and minus y's mean square. Okay, so that is going to be sigma y square is 3089 over this 36. And but when you're using the mean here, please use the actual mean of, I'm not writing this minus because it is going to be a square on it. Okay, so this, if you calculate this, that will be this required standard deviation. Can someone please tell me what is the answer here? Yes. Yes, this is 8.30. So we have just used this coded data because we believe that, we know that the standard deviations, they remain the same. Okay. Now let's move on to the next part. It says one extra data value of 29 was added. Okay. And to the sample, find the standard deviation of all 37 values. Oh, okay. So that means when you have to find the standard deviation, the thing is, uh, it requires the mean over here, okay? So you will have to find the mean, and only then you can find the standard deviation, okay? So people, uh, who will tell me that what would be the new sigma y? Let me see if there is really a genius in our class. What is the new sigma y? Yes. What is the new sigma y? Now, just to make it clear to you, let me give you an example. Suppose you have a data which is, come on, yaar, people are still entering, exiting. What is happening? Okay. Now suppose you have a data, bacho. Suppose there is 22, 25, and let's say there is 29, and then there is 32. Okay. You have taken out 20 from all these values. So this is going to be 2. This is your x. This is your y. This is going to be 5. This is going to be 9, and this is going to be 12. Okay. And suppose if there is a new value over here, which is 35, let's say. So what would be the new value over here according to this? Yes,
15.
15 exactly. So mere bachcho, look at this. This is your x minus 45. When you have a new value 29, that is the value of x. Okay. So when you need to determine the new sigma y, so it means if there is a new value in x which is 29, so what is that new value in y? So that will be 29 minus 45. That means the sum was already minus 148. There is going to be another minus 16 added into it. Okay. Now, please tell me, did you understand this or not? Hmm? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes. Anna?
Sir.
So now your new sigma y, beta, God bless you people. Your new sigma y is going to be minus 148 and plus this minus 16. That is going to be minus 164. Yes, who will tell me the new sigma y square? Yes, the new sigma y square. 3089 plus what? Yes, come on, hurry up. 3089 plus, बोलो यार, इतनी देर यार, hurry up यार. So we have to add this new value, which is 16. I'm not writing minus 16 because this has to be squared, okay? So then this has to be 3089 plus 16 square. So this is 3,345. That is our new sigma y square. So when we find the standard deviation of all of these 37 values, so now again, I need to say that this standard deviation of x is same as the standard deviation of this y, and that is going to be 3,345 over 37 minus 164 over, that is a mean here, okay? So that is how you will get the new standard deviation, which is going to be, so this is 10.5. So that should be it from today's session, okay?